Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro TV 2022 Subaru WRX, stock number 7208. It's ran from the 12th 2021 to the current shape. Has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is the FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch 50mm tyre, left-hand door mirror, left rear door one dent, left rear 18-inch 50mm tyre, left-hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch 50mm tyre, right rear door one dent, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch 50mm tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,